Pros and Cons of Owning Australian Parakeets, a comprehensive guide for bird lovers. In this episode of Pericast, we explore the pros and cons of owning Australian parakeets, also known as budgies. These vibrant, playful, and easy to care for birds are popular among bird enthusiasts. But there are both advantages and challenges that come with owning one. Whether you're a first time bird owner or a seasoned pet lover, this episode will help you make an informed decision before bringing a budgie into your home. Why Australian parakeets are popular. Australian parakeets are beloved for their charming personalities, beautiful colors, and relatively low maintenance care requirements. Their small size and social nature make them ideal pets for families, apartment dwellers, and individuals seeking a playful companion. Pros of owning Australian parakeets. Affectionate and social budgies are social, friendly, and bond closely with their owners. They enjoy interacting and can become great companions, making them ideal for families or individuals who want a pet that craves attention. Small size, low maintenance. Due to their compact size, budgies are easier to house and require less care than larger parrot species. They don't need much space and can thrive in smaller environments. Cost effective. Compared to other exotic birds, Australian parakeets are relatively inexpensive to purchase and maintain. Their food, toys, and healthcare costs are generally lower than other bird species, making them a cost-effective pet option. Trainability and mimicry. Budgies are intelligent and can learn to mimic human speech, perform tricks, and engage in games. If you're looking for an interactive and entertaining bird, budgies can be a great fit. They enjoy being trained and can bond with their owners during this process. Long lifespan. With a lifespan of 5 to 10 years, Australian parakeets offer plenty of time for owners to build a deep bond with their bird. Unlike some shorter-lived pet options. Vibrant appearance. Budgies are known for their stunning variety of colors. From greens and yellows to blues and purples, their colorful plumage adds a beautiful and lively touch to any home. Cons of owning Australian parakeets. Messy feathers and cage. Although they are relatively low maintenance, budgies can be messy. They often scatter food, feathers, and droppings, meaning regular cage cleaning is essential. Require socialization. Budgies are highly social creatures and need regular interaction to stay happy. Without sufficient attention and stimulation, they can become lonely, bored, or even depressed, leading to behaviors like excessive screeching or feather plucking. Can be noisy. Budgies are known for being vocal, especially in the mornings and evenings. While their chirping is generally pleasant, their noise level can be overwhelming for some owners, particularly in small living spaces like apartments. Health concerns. Like all pets, budgies can be prone to certain health issues, including respiratory infections, mites, and feather plucking. Regular checkups, a balanced diet, and a clean living environment are crucial for maintaining their health. Breeding challenges. Breeding budgies requires careful planning and monitoring. It can be more complicated than anticipated, and the process might involve separating males and females to avoid unplanned breeding. Destructive behavior. Budgies have a natural urge to chew on things, and without sufficient toys and mental stimulation, they may start chewing on furniture, wires, or other household items. Providing ample toys and keeping them entertained is important to prevent this behavior. Are Australian parakeets the right pet for you? Before deciding to adopt an Australian parakeet, consider your lifestyle, time commitment, and ability to provide the attention they need. If you're ready to invest time in their care, budgies can make fantastic, rewarding pets. However, if you're unable to meet their social and mental stimulation needs, they may not be the right fit. Final thoughts. In conclusion, Australian parakeets offer many benefits, including their playful personalities, affordability, and relatively low maintenance care. However, they also require social interaction, attention, and proper management of noise and health. If you're prepared to meet these needs, a budgie can be a delightful and engaging companion for years to come. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow bird lovers. We'd love to hear your experiences with Australian parakeets. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions.